Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 7, Transcriptionist. Earning potential, $15 to $70 an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. If you're looking for easy online jobs to make some extra income, this one could be for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll convert a client's audio or video content into a text transcript. They'll either pay you an hourly rate or a flat rate for each task. This role requires you to have great attention to detail and be fast at typing. While it's not the most popular job type, transcription can be a reliable income stream for someone who is quick and accurate at documenting what they hear. Many people still prefer to read a written version of a piece of content, aka a transcript. You then help fill this need. Transcribing can be carried out part-time or full-time, depending on how much work your schedule will allow, and how much you want to take on. There are medical transcriptionists, legal transcriptionists, general transcriptionists, and more. Each type has unique features and requirements. Some, like legal and medical, require special training and certification in order to qualify for assignments. Those able to prove that they have a high word per minute count and greater accuracy in their typing can secure better rates of pay than others. You can take a free typing test and get a free certificate at rototype.com, which may help you maximize your income. To get started quickly, you could join a reputable transcription company that hires beginners. They'll bring in work for you worth anywhere between $15 and $30 an hour. Links to a free transcription mini course and the aforementioned free typing test are in the description. These will give you an edge on complete beginners, as you'll be more knowledgeable, plus have an idea of what to expect in typing tests. We've also provided a link to an online transcription software by HappyScribe. Their completely free tool can help when you need your own software, plus reduce the time that it takes you to create a transcription without sacrificing accuracy. The things you will need to work in this area are a laptop or PC, internet access, decent headphones, a Google Chrome browser, which seems to be required by most transcription companies, and a PayPal account, so they can pay you. As mentioned in previous episodes, you can offer your services on all of the popular freelance service websites, such as Fiverr, Upwork, etc. But some great places to find lots of ready-to-go transcription projects are TranscribeMe, Rev.com, SpeechPad, and AudioBee. Good hunting!
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.